Hello students, continue with our business statistics class. Today we are going to start another method of second chapter. See the questions. Estimate the y when x is equal to 70 and x when y is equal to 90 from the following result. Here students, in these questions we can find out both regression line, and after that the value of y and x is finding out. Here see the x and y means 18 and 100 is given, variance 196 and 400 also given, and correlation coefficient means r is also 0.8 is given. We can write here x bar is equal to 18, y bar is equal to 100. See the student here, his variance is given. Variance means x s square x is 196 and y square s is given is 400. But in this sum we are not need to variance, but we need standard deviations, means the root of this sx is 196, root is 14, same as sy 400, root is 20. We need standard deviations. Whenever in questions variance is given, students be careful, we need a standard deviation means not a square. We need a simple form of sx and hy. Now we start the sum. We need dyx is equal to r multiplied. Here first step is s, y is given means hy, last step is sx. Same as dxy is equal to r into first step sx is given and second y. The value of this is available. R is 0.8, sy means 20 upon sx is 14. Here dyx is 1.14. Calculate dxy 0.8, sx is 14, sy is 20. Here dxy is 0.56. See the students, dyx and dxy is getting. Now we are going to further from our two regression line. Here y minus y bar is equal to dyx x minus x bar. So as another line is x minus x bar is equal to dxy y minus y bar. Now the put in value, y bar is given here 100, dyx is 1.14 and x bar is 18. (1.14) multiplied with x minus 1.14 multiplied with minus 18 is a 20.52. Now y cap is equal to 1.14x minus 20.52. Here 100 is minus, transferring opposite side is plus. Y cap is equal to 1.14x plus minus 20.52 plus 100 is 79.48. Here we got a regression line of y. Same as we calculate another line of dxy. Here x bar is 18, dxy is 0.56, y bar is 100. Multiplied with y 0.56y minus 0.56 into 100 means 56. Now x cap is equal to 0.56y minus 56. Here 18 is minus, opposite is plus. Now x cap is equal to 0.56y minus 56 plus 18 is equal to minus 38. Here we got second regression line of x. Now see in the questions, here we find y when the value of x is 70, then we write is put x is equal to 70. And same as find x when y is equal to 90, put y is equal to 90. See, y cap is equal to 1.14, 7 plus 17 plus 79.48. Here 1.40 multiplied 70 is 79.8 plus 79.48. Now addition in that 159.28. Here we got y 159.28, same as we find x square is equal to 0.56, y plus 90 minus 38. 0.56 into 90 is 50.4 minus 38. Here we got 50.4 minus 38 is 12.4. Here we got x 12.4. See the students, very easy sum for you.